Hi everyone, Emma here. I have a surprise for you. So I have a order from NBeads, and I apologize. I was doing some shibori ribbon, so my hands are a bit colored. So let's take a look at what they sent. So this is with a collaboration with NBeads, and I just really enjoy finding unique things on NBeads, and this is probably my all-time favorite of all things. Oh, and that's hard to beat um, the acrylic carrier beads that they sent me the last time. So, oh my gosh. So I thought what I'd do is I'd order one item, but order something in bulk so you see how it's so much better to buy bulk stuff. And then, like, if you can maybe do get a few people pitch in, and then you separate it amongst you. So this is a toggle and clasp. This is probably my favorite. Ooh, it's open. This is probably my favorite toggle and clasp. And I only could find it in silver. I never could find it in gold. So let me adjust the camera here because, ooh, there we go. Oh, I'm taking my time because I'm like, when I saw this, I'm like, what the heck is in this package? It's so heavy. You just, there, look at that. That's incredible. So, let's do this. Okay, so I couldn't figure out, I believe there's 200 toggle and clasp. Everything I looked at online says 400 pieces, so that would be 200 of this part here and 200 of the toggle. So let's take a look. And I noticed there was something else in here. It's like a treasure. Oh my god. Oh. I cannot wait to make some bracelets with this. They're gorgeous. What? I cannot believe these guys. How amazing they are. Let's see if the light adjusts. That's just stunning. These are incredible. They look thin, but the way they're made, they're pretty substantial. Like, you can't bend them at all. So let's take a look at one of these. Let's open it up a bit. They are amazing. I love that, the loop is one piece. I've gotten some closures that the loops are not closed, and it's pain in the butt because your thread comes through it. And this is what it looks like on the back. This is amazing. It's so beautiful. So it looks like little flowers on the corners, and then this kind of round filigree all the way around, and then this like rope effect. They're really incredible. Unbelievable. And let's get to, I saw something in here that was different, and I need to find it because I'm obsessed. So, this is with a collaboration from NBeads, like I said before, and there's there it is. There's a coupon code, Emma04, and let me take a look because it's very specific here. Emma04 gives you $5 off US on a minimum order of $40, and it's available for a year. So I have other coupon codes with NBeads, so definitely you know, if you want to do more than one order, you can check the other ones too. So each time you get $5 off. So this is that part there, and I put down the other thing here. Wow, this is crazy. Look at. So this is, I'm trying to see what that symbol is. It's like a little bird or something. And then look at all the little stars around. So it's like a ring, but, and it's open here. There's a heart. So let me see if I can open this. Now I'll be like curious to find this on their site. Definitely the heart looks pretty cool. Let me see if I can open that a bit. There we go. There's the heart. That's neat. Let me put that aside so I don't lose that. So let's take a look at the toggle part of it. And it comes in a separate bag, which is awesome because I've gotten some before and they're all mixed, which is not a big deal because on a smaller order, say 20 pieces, I usually mix them together anyway in my case. But wow, these are amazing. That is really nice. Wow, these are really nice. So let's see what they look like together. It's like, wow. Incredible. That is amazing. Ta-da! So these, and of course they go through easily. Those are unbelievable. Wow. So let me talk about the price of these to begin with. I'm just drooling, so I apologize. Okay, so currently they are on sale at 60% off. So the sale price is $25.75 Canadian. Let me adjust it to US dollars so you have a better idea. Yeah, okay. So $19.37 for 200, which is actually 400 pieces. Yeah, so that's incredible. They see if they give us the sizes. Yeah, they do. So the oval is 24 millimeters long by 17 wide, and the hole is 2 millimeters. The bar is 26 millimeters long and 7 millimeters wide. That is just, I'm blown away. This is amazing. So stay tuned. I'll be doing a bunch of bracelet designs that really emphasize or, you know, show this decadent clasp. I just find it so, like it looks like real gold. And it is a alloy, cadmium free, lead free. It says antique gold color. So that is pretty, I don't want to stop. Look, there's another one. What? That's crazy. And I probably dropped everything here. I may have to count these. They're just so much. They're beautiful. Oh my gosh. That's nutty. So there we go. Stay tuned and check out NBeads.com. They have some really amazing stuff. Pretty awesome. There's the toggles. Take care, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.